latest C4 here at Unique, especially in classics. 1990 model year Corvette Coupe, of course with a removable top, white on black leather interior, of course the 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC, and that V8's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Let you get a good look at the nose cone on this. A little over 81,000 original miles on it. And it does show well up front here. As you can see, paint on this one, considering age and miles. Nice condition, a little bit of checking on the roof, I did notice. Now, if you want to check the still pictures out, so you can see this from top to bottom, inside and out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on more of a ZR1 C4 chrome wheel. Of course, the tune port injected V8 underneath the hood. Black leather buckets. Center console with the shift on the floor. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can also see a little aftermarket exhaust. Tips at least done to this one. And you can see the exhaust on the underside of those pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And again, you can see around this car, the paint does show well on it. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. So, of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You do have the power driver's seat in this particular model, or this particular car. Take a look at the leather on the bolsters. Yes, worn like you'd expect leather, but it really still holding together rather well, not full of rips or tears or holes. You'll be able to see quite a few pictures of both seats and with those still pics on our website. Of course, the driver's information center, where you can change your center gauge cluster to read volts, oil pressure, gas, that type of stuff. Let's check this out and I'll kind of show you what I'm talking about. Now, you're going to see this oil change light on. The gentleman that brought this to us to consign. There is oil and a filter that'll be included with it. If you wanted it changed before it got to you, that'd be fine. If you want to do it yourself, like so many of the folks that buy cars from us like to do, you can sure do that too. Now, there's your exact miles, 81,272. And then, of course, up here is going to be where you can change from miles per gallon, instant economy, that type of thing. And, of course, in your trip and your odometer, and then, of course, your gauges there. Seatbelt light. Obviously, I don't have the seatbelt on. AM, FM cassette. You also have your climate control, electronic climate control. Just going to put that on. Check it out. Take a look at the dash a little closer also. FYI, stereo is in working order. Go ahead, let's check out this AC while we're in here. Again, top of the dash, gas compressor kicked on. Does feel cool and cooling off. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. No crazy exhaust, anything loud over the top. Nice little rumble. This one sounds good going down the road. Personally, I've driven it. Alright, let me pause this a second, or I tell you what, we can get that clamshell hood open here. Make sure that released.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's that tuned Ford injected 5.7 liter. And you can see tires do not appear to have a lot of miles on them. Nice looking engine bay. Get a look from the passenger side here. You can see AC compressor clutch has engaged. Alright, how about one last thing, those headlights. Let me pause this a second. It's going to take me 2 hands to close this. We'll check out those headlights. Alright, hood closed. And headlights up. Headlights down. 1990 C4 Corvette. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate and call in or email.
Here we have a 1990 Chevrolet Corvette. This Corvette is an automatic right here in the center console. The black leather seats are very comfortable. Very nice acceleration. Nice exhaust sound from this car. I'll let you know I do have my seatbelt on even though the light is on the dash saying that I don't. Temperature is a little over 100. Volt gauge is showing charging over 14. Oil pressure is about 70. Factory tachometer working well. We have a digital speedometer that is working well also. Factory radio. Sounds great. Blower motor works. We have a little heat going today on this cool winter day. Brakes are working well. I like the nice thick steering wheels that they've got in these era of Corvettes. Car corners really well, doesn't lean hardly at all. Kickdown works on that transmission. Nice ride to this car. If I let go of the wheel, it stays nice and straight. No pull to either side. Take a look at all the pictures and learn all the details of this Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.